So, okay, this is my drawer interior layout. We got keys here, we got wallets here, we got glasses here, we got, I don't know, chewing gum, cold cream, we got a bunch of customer cards and stuff in here. We have a place for the change from my pockets. We got a space for collecting old batteries before we bring them away. We have a place for our small biking equipment, and we have for different outdoor gear. That should be next to the door as well. So maybe this is a kind of good layout. I'll try to make this interior for the drawer.